I want to talk about inspections. There's a whole new world of inspections. For those in the inspection world, I'm talking about QAs for builders, building certifiers and surveyors from Victoria. The whole requirement is amped up. We've always done this. In Queensland, we've had QBCC doing inspections and making sure from a licensing point of view it gets done. New South Wales, Victoria now have mandatory inspections, critical stage inspections, where you have to go to site and prove evidence. It's a whole new world. It's just, you can't do a couple of inspections on a wall or a high rise and then expect that you're going to get it certified by others. We see so many fails, and it just scares me how little inspections get done, or how little evidence is accepted as compliance.
Yeah, so this is one of our system selections that we do at planning and design stage. So we'll get the plans, do up wall types, description of what it is, what manufacturer, the FRL, acoustic rating as well, and then the test report to go with that. And then we'll approve it, send it off to the building certifier and the builder to look over it, make sure that they're also happy with it, and get that approved before any work starts. So that's a big one that we do internally and also for the builder and building certifier.
Yeah, it's definitely massive to get this sorted out up front. You know, you want all this done before you start putting in frames on ground floor or level one. You do not want to be pulling out things due to design issues. You know, there's enough troubles on site, just staying on schedule as it is. You don't want to be adding rectification to it. We have a checklist that we go through, which has a number of red flags. We like to bring up and cause a bit of commotion at the start of a job, but it's always good to talk about it. Hiding from it's not a good idea because it does come back to haunt you.
The manufacturers, and there's two typical ones, a CANAF K-Spec and a Boral one. CSR do the same, and these are site-specific. The manufacturer will do this for you. In fact, if you're a builder, insist on it, and if you're a building certifier, ask for it so you can go through it. It covers the wall types, the basics, it covers the acoustics and most of the junctions, although we have a few other challenges.
Yeah, so this is our install guide. This is our one that we've made ourselves. I've got one here. This is a Boral. So this is 20, 30 odd pages of just details and junctions, head and base details, deflection. We've got the correct fixings that need to be used on site, you know, no zinc. So we need to make sure that we're using the right stuff.
It's paramount. It's interesting how when we do our training on site, so we generally use this document to train the guys on site, and we'll have tradies that are, 20 and 30 year veterans will say, when did this change? And what's our standard response, Jack?
Yeah, it's always been there. It's just never been policed, is what we always have to say. And it's no one's looking to cheat or cut corners this day and age because everyone wants to get it done right. So it's just the fact that they don't have the information there in front of them is why it's not. It's an issue that should be solved, up front. Get you guys some manuals, get everyone on the same page, and we're all happy.